Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday now. Some horse racing. Several trainers are upset with the weight conditions that the racing department of SVREL has applied for Saturday's Sir Howard and the Hotline Stakes for non-winners of 2 going 6 furlongs. The races are being used as prep events for the upcoming classics. Denise Walters has the details.
When the TVJ Sports camera crew visited the track on Friday morning for the exercise canter or gallop by the fillies, colts and geldings that will be participating in the Sir Howard and Hotline Stakes, there were discussions among some of the top trainers about what they regard as the unfair weight allowances for the runners in both races. In 2018, all runners in both the Sir Howard Stakes for colts and geldings and the Hotline Stakes for fillies, non-winners of 2, carried 126 pounds. Wilson from the barn of Richard Azan won the Sir Howard Stakes at odds of 12-1, sitting level with the favourite and eventual Derby winner Drone Strike. It was also another long shot, Band of Gold, from the barn of trainer Wayne Acosta, that beat the favourites Disability Charm and Sergeant Reckless in the Hotline Stakes. In 2019, the racing department made changes with the weight conditions in an attempt to make the race more competitive. On that occasion, the Ian Passard trained Father Patrick won as the 3-5 favourite in the Sir Howard Stakes in what was only the second race of his career, carrying 121 pounds, 5 pounds lighter than Cotter, who shouldered top weight, while Lady Blue from the barn of the Costa won as the 3-2 favourite in the Hotline Stakes. 18-time former champion trainer DaCosta says the problem with weight started from last year and is getting worse this year.
When the overnight came out, all of them had won one race. And we had 7 different weights out of the 9 horses. 7 horses at different weights for horses who have all won one race. God knows how they work it out like that.
2019 champion trainer Anthony Baba Nunes says the conditions don't appear to be working in the best interest of the horses, adding that the racing office need to go back to conditions where every runner carry 126 pounds for fairness.
Conditions have always been that these are non-winners of 2 horses. They should be sitting at level weights. I mean, when everybody has won one race, I don't see any reason why we're not sitting at 57 kilos with everybody. I mean, you can't start handicapping or writing conditions for non-winners of 2 horses. I mean, when you go beyond that and start going into restricted stakes and so forth, then you can do conditions or handicap.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.